Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Docusign app works and whether it's a reliable choice for managing electronic signatures and agreements. Docusign is widely known for its secure signature services, making it a go-to solution for individuals and businesses needing to sign, send, and manage digital documents from anywhere. The app allows users to upload documents, add signature fields, and send them for signing all within a clean, mobile-friendly interface. It supports a variety of file formats and integrates easily with cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Signing documents is intuitive. You simply tap to sign, draw, or use a pre-saved signature. Notifications keep you updated on who has signed and who still needs to. For businesses, it includes options for templates and reusable document workflows. Some of the app's strengths include its industry-grade encryption and security, user-friendly design, and smooth integrations with major platforms. However, users have noted a few downsides. Advanced features, like in-person signing or bulk sending, are locked behind higher-tier plans, which may not be practical for occasional users. There are also occasional bugs or delays when uploading large files. According to recent reviews, user feedback is largely positive. Many praise the convenience and time saved by signing contracts on the go. One user mentioned how Docusign made remote onboarding seamless, while others highlighted how helpful it is for real estate or freelance agreements. Some complaints include slow document loading and account access issues, especially when switching devices. But most users find the support team responsive when needed. In conclusion, Docusign remains a strong option for individuals and teams looking for a professional, secure, and fast way to manage e-signatures. While some features require a paid plan, the app delivers reliability and ease of use that's hard to match. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.